Innovation is not only big I innovation. And big I innovation is what we typically think of innovation, ride sharing and the taxi industry, or Blockbuster and Netflix. And when we think of innovation only as big I innovation, well, guess what? None of us can innovate.
Honestly, I was a little trepidatious at first. I think all too frequently we hear innovation and we categorize ourselves as one who, yes, we've got it, or no, we don't.
Anybody can innovate if they choose to, and everybody in this room can innovate.
I was excited. I just like the creativity behind it, where you got to express yourself.
I like to look at innovation also as little I innovation. Innovation in the everyday, innovation in process improvement, innovation in incremental change. That still counts as innovation because you're still changing the way things are done. You're still reimagining a new future. So little I innovation is as important as big I innovation.
Primary takeaway for me is that all of us have this innate ability to create as well as to innovate.
And innovation is also learnable. It's a teachable mindset and skill set that anybody can learn. And just like you learn to read, you can also learn innovation.
It's his ability to pull that forward through the exercise that we did today. We all have that capability.
It's a teachable mindset and skill set.
I'm Haley Hughes, and I am the Director of Events at Aperture. I've been planning conferences and events for 15 years. And one of a tedious job could be finding, opening, closing keynotes. I think the biggest thing, people are sitting all day. And Leo was absolutely amazing. The interaction, the engagement, when they opened up the box and saw that they were going to do Legos, like everybody's face lit up like they were little kids. So I highly recommend get Leo. We had a great time.